Know that your belief systems create your reality. Whatever your most dominant thoughts are and whatever you believe is what is going to manifest. We often consciously know what we don't want, what we don't have, and we are placing our energy on that. And we are calling more of it in our experience. So are you stabilizing more of low vibrational thoughts, doubt, fear, the feeling of not enough, or I can't do this? Because that is what is painting your reality, my friends. Know that the outer world is the reflection of your inner world. Know that we have the power to choose what to focus on, what to give our energy to. We as conscious beings can choose our emotion, thoughts and intentions consciously. Take power in your presence and in your awareness. Be in the place of the observer to notice those old repeating thoughts, limiting beliefs and patterns, and shift that. We can change our inner world and reprogram it and reprogram our subconscious mind. How do we do that? Hi beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is so close to my heart, and when I realized this, when I changed my inner vibrations, my inner thoughts and inner energy, everything in my physical reality changed. What does the current reality show you? Is it serving you or is it limiting you? What energy you're vibrating within is what is going to be reflected outside. So is your inner realm breathing on love or hate? Are you letting doubt feed your ego, or is it blossoming with faith? Are you in the abundance mindset or lack? What are you projecting? Do you know you're not your thoughts or your emotions, and realize that you are the one just observing it and aware of it? Think good thoughts. We have the power to choose our being, what you want to become in this moment if you're aware, if you're observing. Every morning get up and ask yourself, who do you want to become? Who do you want to be? And choose to be that. Think that. Feel high vibrational emotions, gratitude, love, abundance, joy. These are some of the vibrations that you must hop on. Visualization is a great way to reprogram your subconscious mind. Imagine the best version of yourself. See that in your mind's eye clearly. Feel that you're already becoming that, and you are going to be that. Feelings are vibrations and nothing else. Positive affirmations are a great way to change your self-negative talks and lack into positive, high vibrational energy. Some of the things I say to myself: I am blessed, I am loved, I am getting better and better every day. Choose whatever resonates with you. And if that becomes more dominant, it is going to reflect in your outer world. Are you doing more of the things that you love? Are you doing things that lights you up, that fires you up? Because when you step into passion, when you step into things that brings you happiness, you're opening more and more space in your heart, and you're vibrating at that frequency, and that's what you're giving out to the universe. Being grateful, having or practicing the art of gratitude is one of the most powerful tools. Practicing the art of gratitude is also one of the most amazing tools for high vibrational energy. Every day we have so many reasons to be grateful for, and when you are already grateful for what you have, you become a magnet to more and more blessings. When you become more conscious and when you become aware of the present, the now, you take your power back. Know that you are pure awareness. It is naturally loving and compassionate. Just like the sun exists merely to exist, so are we. We naturally radiate light. That is your true nature. It is just the conditioning by our own minds and by the societies that we create so many layers, and we build it. Program your inner world. You're not the label that people tell you, but you will become what you tell yourself. And know that within you there's so much power. When your inner world shifts, love, prosperity, growth, abundance, joy, faith, these things, these feelings, emotions will just bubble up. And that's when you're going to see the beauty around in the world. That's when you're going to show love to others. That's when you're going to be caring and loving to every being around. Because that's what you feel for yourself. You are whole in your being. That is your true nature. Feelings of frustration, anger, disappointment, and will flare up. But how you deal with them determines your reality. Also know that everything that comes to you in the universe is for your own growth. And when you understand this, when you change that perception, when you shift that thought process, you will be able to deal with things better. Shift your perceptions to shift your reality, my friends. And don't ever let anybody question your word. Don't let you question yourself. So rewire your thought process, rewire your belief systems, and rewire your inner world to see the wholeness and beauty outside. And always be in love and vibrate. It is the most powerful emotion in the world. So much of love to you all. I hope you like this video. If you like, please connect with me and do subscribe to my channel. Sending you so much love and blessings. Thank you.